Nå helgen nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløden som om hver dag.
Bobrisky, that guy no keep person we laugh for. That bro. Hey bro. Hi bro. That bro not go finish person we laugh really. Couldn't believe say when Bobrisky, if papa do birthday, Bobrisky can't go if papa birthday. He can't dress like ma. My people, this Bobrisky funny oh. This guy no finish person we laugh really. He not go finish person we laugh oh. So to show say if family don't even like this new look wey be say they do like woman. When I see the video I shock talize my people. This Bobrisky, this one of person will laugh. That bro, hey bro, you know who finish person will laugh, bro. When the I'll put the video, that boy, he will not cease to amaze me really. That guy too funny. So when your papa do birthday, you go there, you dress like man. So you not be gallant queen again. As you gallant, Trish, I see one video. You get one video when he do, he say if people they comment for this thing, they say hi bro, you are cute. He say me they know they call him bro. He say who is your bro? Who is your bro? He say he not be bro. In a beautiful girl, beautiful gallant girl. He say me they know they call him bro. Hi bro, hey bro. He say he not be bro. I surprised. As one can go see papa that he can't dress like bro. Hi bro. This guy can't dress like because if papa they do birthday now, so you're not supposed to go maybe dress like woman go there because if papa don't go agree, maybe papa don't want us. If they come, if you try them, because you not be woman, you be man. Maybe now make it come dress like that. That guy, that Bobrisky not finish person will laugh really. He say people will come with DM, though they comment for him, but they know they even they toast. Whether they know they see the fine girl where him be, fine potpourri. Boys go just come, he did him. They go to right. They don't go toast him. He say not like that, you know. That is the same Bobrisky now. He say not like him. He like maybe say una go dey hail am, una go dey call am queen, una go dey call am this. He say he not like all those life wey be say una go dey call am man. He say no. But when the papa go dey do birthday like God dress like man, as he dress like me, come be like Michael Jackson. You know, remember when Michael Jackson dey alive la? The way Michael Jackson take bleach his body. Now so Bobrisky be now. Now Bobrisky be the second Michael Jackson we will get for now. Now he will take the remember Michael Jackson now. He can't be like Michael Jackson. I bet that guy too funny. That guy too funny really. That guy too funny. Hey bro. Hi bro. Bro. So that one that be Bobrisky yo. Tonto DK in the beauty. Tonto DK and Bobrisky. I don't say they be best friend. Good friend though. Good friend. So say 12 they can't even as they can't play rich, they can't even the munu so they can't even they kiss each other. As they can't play rich. That be that one. That is for Tonto DK in the beauty. Tonto DK ex-husband I can't post one video for a wife picture. The Igbo way they follow now. He can't post and he can't say a message to my quiet wife. Like seriously? Like really? When I see him, I say, So does it mean say my people Tonto DK, I can't reason what to say. He never want they post Tonto DK like this once. Does it mean say Tonto DK not they quiet? I'll be waiting, my people. What's on our reason? What on our reason? If anything you think, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Because I call it surprise because I see many bloggers that they say maybe Tonto DK not they quiet. Maybe I make the guy post this kind thing. You know, say Dr. Dike, the way me they look that guy, look at like girl wey be say you go to sabi all those gra things, you know. So I come dey surprise. So does it mean say Dr. Dike no dey quiet? Now make him send that message to you. But that means this Oyibo dey quiet and they homely. Because even King Bright even talk put say if I talk say Dr. Dike he they live any life nobody believe. When I see the way it take place in Oyibo now where they follow.
What I do?
Come be reason us, not be lying.
Stop Posito. Don't post it. I will kill you. I will kill you, mommy.
Not be lying.
I will kill you.
What you think about this video? You can still leave your comments down below. This is gonna surprise me. Because Dr. Dike, the one way in there now, he can go do a bombo. If you not see a bombo now, part 2 not there. Oh, now when not the rest? Because now 3 topics today. Oh, now when not the you see all those things where Bobrisky they do so. It the sweet now. I even hear that they say go finally go do a bombo. Finally go do a body wear. Make it turn to woman finish. But they see everything for Instagram. Una where they be say una they go they do again one when I see today now. You go do breast. As he do breast, finish do Bobby. He do it for 1 point something. Who don't believe say the Bobina Bobina don't there outside. The Bobina, you know, if you even look at me again, man, if you even put mouth on that guy, because the Bobby don't roti. The Bobby don't roti. Now she now they look for money now when she wanted to do surgery. Where the money they? So if they say more they live well, I say no. We don't want to go they do all those surgery. So God will create you now. You know, can he made mistake, Abi. You know, can do your breast well now. We be saying now you want to do one way. Like seriously, really, like really. But the way God give you on the like him. I see one that the way God do in Yash. See the way they press him. See if you not see what they come at him. Oh, so this disgusting, really. Like when I see him, I shocked her eyes. My people, my beautiful people. Leave your body the way God take create you. God not make mistake the way take create you. Leave your body like that. Mona stop to they do all those things. Like really. Mona stop him. Mona stop him. All those things where Bobrisky they do so. He go regret them later. Later he must regret them. There is no I will not regret them. So maybe we stop to they do all those I'll go do something for body. I want belong. I want make I fine. And I remember that time Stella, Basajo wife, when he come Spain, that time say one can do a leg, I don't know what one can do. Now I take my men. I take my men that time. So all those surgery, all those is one that they do. Now later on I go regret them really later. There is no I want not to regret them. You see all those are what Dr. Dike they do so. You go they do Yash, they do this one. They not do that. When you go see her body, every person go tell at that time because you want to impress people, you want to shine. You forget the old days go come one day. So see that girl now, if they beg for money now. For where come cry, come out. You know, say water don't pass garden. She know the fit sleep again. The thing they pain her. Breast don't finish now. Breast don't roti. I want one now. Which man won't carry and the mere way want impress with the breast now. I don't want to see that kind of evil Bobby now when they made the evil to stand. Bobby don't finish. The Bobby way say me do me stand. Bobby don't can go down where now. Like seriously? So maybe they use our HQ if they do some kind of things. As real worry talk. Use your HQ before you do anything. Use your HQ really. Really? Our people are beg. More they live well. More they behave well for our youth life. Because when you go down old, what I go call pass Gary that time. Egg may go gas that time. When you go to see your body like this, only you want go to shock her lies. Only you want go to shock her lies really. Only you want go to see what you do to yourself. That time, water don't pass Gary. So as you just did now, I beg. If you get any friend we want go do surgery. I advise I may not do a move because gain no day. Now only regret it, we will regret it later. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your friend, your sister, your everything. Thank you everybody. So anything what you think about this, Bobrisky going to see his father dressed like a man. You can leave your comment for the comment section. Bye everybody, and share this video and always put thumbs up for my videos. Bye.